Good morning children. How are you? I hope all of you fine. So today we are going to the new topic, new lesson number 14. The name of the lesson is mode of transportation or modes of transport. Transportation is means so goods are go to the one place to another place. Okay. So in this lesson we are discussing about identify the needs of transport. Understand the different modes of transport for long distance and short distance and modern modes of transports. And another one point children. Now about different kinds of the workers working in a railway station and bus station. Children, vehicles are one of the need of our daily life. Without vehicles, we will not go anywhere. Short distance or long distance. We have to ride the vehicles. We have to travel. Okay, children. See in your textbook, children, some a small poem. Sing and enjoy. Hear the small poem. Sing and enjoy. Let us learn. Picnic by bus. Along with my friends. Variety of vehicles moving on the road. You know children. Picnic my bus. Along with my friends. You know. Anywhere you go to with your friends. So enjoy. No. That's meaning. So, picnic my bus along with my friend, variety of vehicles moving on the road. Next, horse cart and bullock cart, cycle and a motorbike, auto rickshaw and car, so many vehicles on the road. You see no? In your daily life, horse cart, bullock cart, cycle and motorbike, auto rickshaw and car, so many vehicles go on the road. Okay. So next another one. Train on the rail, boat on the water, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. What children meaning? Train on the rail. So train you know train where? Track. On the track. Boat on the water, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. Some are moving slow, some are moving fast. Different modes of transport. I like them very much. You know children, you also like no? So, in this poem, these are the meanings of the transport. In your daily life, you see, no? Okay children. So, next. Children, see here in your textbook, name the vehicles which are there in the poem. Children, you learn in your poem now. So, what are the vehicles name? You will write here. Okay. So, first one, bus, horse cart, car, motorbike, cycle, bullock cart, boat, and a horse cart, train, auto rickshaw, aeroplane, helicopter. You have to write in your mention in this poem. Okay children. And next another one activity. So collect the pictures of the vehicles and stick them here. So in the boxes you collect the vehicles and stick them. Okay children, here make a list of the vehicles by which you have traveled. So you have traveled, you write the name of the vehicles in your textbook given in the box. Okay. So you have traveled in the bus. Okay. Next, train. Travel no? So lorry, bullock cart, auto rickshaw, boat, cycle, car, motorbike and van, etc. These are the vehicles which you have traveled, and another vehicles you have traveled, you write in your box, write in your textbook. Okay. So next another one children. Many of the vehicles move very fast and many of the vehicles move very slow. Here you have to classify yourself. You have to classify the fast vehicles and slow vehicles. Okay. Classify the vehicles listed by you as a fast moving vehicles and the slow moving vehicles. So here children, see there in your textbook, fast moving vehicles and the slow moving vehicles have two columns there. So first one, fast moving vehicles, you have a write in this side, and another one side you will write the slow moving vehicles. Okay, so train, bus, aeroplane. Aeroplane is a very fast vehicle. Okay, car, van and motorbike. Okay children, so next another one, slow moving vehicles, you write in your, for example, bullock cart, horse cart, cycle, camel cart, auto rickshaw, etc. Okay children, so next another one, which vehicles are used for the carrying goods in your places? Right here. So which vehicles children? So carrying the goods, train, lorry, truck, mini lorry, Tata Sumo, bullock cart, tractor and train. These are vehicles are used to carrying the goods. Okay children. So children, activities. Another one activity. Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks with suitable words and read the passage. So here children, first we use vehicles like dash and dash to travel from one place to another place. Which vehicle children? Bus and train. Another one, people use the vehicles like dash and dash to carry the goods. Which vehicles to carry the goods children? So you will write in the blank. So train, lorry and truck. And another one, bullock cart, etc. So next one place to another one place, you carrying the goods. Dash is comfortable for the long journey. Which vehicles children? So you comfortable to the long journey. So especially train is very comfortable to a long journey. And another one, dash is useful to travel the fast. Which vehicle? So move the fast moving. So aeroplane is the best. Okay, aeroplane is useful to travel the fast. And another one, dash is used for traveling in the desert. Which? Camel. Camel is used for traveling in desert. It is called the sheep of the desert. So next, people use dash to cross the road. Which vehicles to water vehicle is called? Boat. Boat is a water vehicles to cross the river. Okay. Here one picture of you can see. This is the bus station. This is the bus station. Here in your textbook, one of the picture is what children? Bus station. See here children, some of the boards are there in the bus stations. There are the small instructions provided in the bus stations and their instructions are followed. Okay, so here children, see this are the boards, bus station, and another one board, keep the bus stations clean, and another one, ticket to counter and follow the queue, keep the toilet clean. So these are the boards, so give the instructions provided in the bus station. Okay children, in your place bus stations also given the instructions boards. Okay, so here ticket counter, and next to follow the queue, and toilet clean, keep the toilet clean. So here children, write what you have seen in the bus stations of your places. So your places, what are the you see? You will write here ticket counter, waiting room, toilet facilities, bakery and drinking water facilities, and shop facilities. These are you see in the bus stations of your places. Okay. So another one, draw the simple pictures of the two vehicles you have seen and color them. Okay, color activities. Here you draw the your choice vehicles. You draw and color them. Okay, children. So next another one. Another one pictures, children, railway station, same as it is a bus station. So another one picture has a, you identify this picture, railway station, and here also boards and instructions, keep the railway stations clean. Okay, children. But here the bus stations and railway stations, many people's work so cleaning will be there. And driving the bus and train, one place, one people will be there, and to carry the goods people, will be there, and to give the ticket to one people too will be there. Okay, children. So here, is there a railway station in your place? Yes. And another one, have you seen the railway station? Yes. All of you see, saw, children? Railway station and bus station. And have you traveled by the train? Commonly all people are traveled in the train. Okay, so next another one. In yourself, so some of the instructions. With the help of the elders, prepare the models of the train using the match boxes and lids of the soft drink bottles. Okay. Children, see here some of the pictures here there. So observe the pictures of what jobs or workers are the peoples doing and write in the space provided. Children, see here first one picture. In the first one picture, this man is called as the sweeper cleaner. Sweeper cleaner means as this man is the cleaning the dust. Okay. And another one, he is a traveling goods. This is called as a labor also. And see here the driver, bus driver is called as a driver. The ladies driver. Ladies also drive the bus or car. Okay. So another one, he is collect or taking the tickets, is called as conductor. And next is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw means as automatically auto driver, is called as the auto driver. These are the pictures including our work. Children, I hope all of you understand this mode of transport lesson, and once again you will read and understand the lesson. Okay, thank you, children.